Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really nice pair of scissors. These are professional grade 440C stainless scissors that come in a really nice box. I want to show you this would be great for a gift for somebody. Inside you've got your instruction guide, you have your microfiber cleaning cloth, a little adjustment tool that they give you there, and then you actually have the two separate pairs of scissors. These feel really nice. These things have been tested for can do over 2,000 snips without needing to be adjusted, but you can adjust them with this little wheel that's here, and you use that adjustment tool to do that. Those feel very nice. And then you've got your thinning shears that have 31 teeth on here as well. Again, also very nice, very sharp, that's gone there as well. It hardly even feels like it's even cutting anything, but I want to show you how sharp that these are. Here, here's my daughter here has volunteered to let me cut a little bit of her hair here, so I'm just going to kind of go along and cut here along the bottom. I mean, effortless, cuts the hair straight across just like that. The thinning shears, we can test those out here and show you as well how easily this cuts. You get another little piece down here. And again, it thins out and cuts the hairs through there like that. So works really well, super effortless. Those things should be a really nice gift for somebody, or it would be great to be able to cut anybody's hair.